Hey, it's Marcy. Do you sometimes feel that your mind is restless? With yoga, we know that when our minds are restless, our energy is dispersed and outside of our bodies. But when you learn to work with your breath and suspend it, it will quiet your thinking as well. Yoga scriptures explain how it's easier to control your prana, life force, breath, than it is to control your mind. Will you do a little experiment with me? I'll be quiet and you still your mind for just 5 seconds. How did it go? Probably not so good. But using easy breathing techniques can help you suspend your thoughts at will. We have 72,000 nadis. These are pathways in our bodies where prana flows. The Sushumna is in the central spine, the astral spine. It's the central nadi that contains the power, our life force. Sushumna is exalted and revered and is often called the sacred stream. It's the aspect of masculine and feminine, Shiva and Shakti, of pure being, consciousness in the spine. Only when the prana flows through Sushumna will we achieve a state of complete absorption, the ultimate state of yoga. One ancient use of the word yogi is one whose spine is full of energy. There are 2 other important nadis out of 72,000, and they are Ida and Pingala. They move energy up the spine like 2 snakes that spiral up the Sushumna nadi. When left and right, masculine and feminine, Ida and Pingala, left and right nostrils are balanced, the yogini can reach a higher consciousness. Would you like to give it a try? Let's begin with Vishnu Mudra. So you'll tuck your first 2 fingers into your palm, right hand always. Keep length in your side body so that you don't close off your lung. Your working fingers are your thumb and your ring finger. And to get started, just close off your right nostril. Inhale through your left, all the way up to the spiritual eye. Then close off your left nostril, exhale through your right, releasing your thumb. Then you'll inhale through your right and exhale through the left. Keep visualizing energy moving up to the spiritual eye, and also try not to squish your nostrils. And you'll just go like that, back and forth, and be relaxed and gentle. Your first approach would be to try to do a calm, even breath, breathing in for a comfortable count and exhaling out for that same count. And practice this until you really feel comfortable with it. And you try to get to 5 minutes, even 10 minutes a day. And always end with an exhale out the left nostril, the nostril that you started with. When you have mastered this, there are other techniques with Nadi Shodhana. See how it will calm your nervous system and smooth out those fluctuations of mind. Then you will start to taste the rewards of a quiet mind and move into that sacred stream of yoga. Anahata is always in that sacred stream of puppy consciousness. She breathes in love and breathes out even more love.